All right, hey there everyone. We are going to tour another new build here in Crystal Valley. This is Taylor Morrison. They are building in the 7s all the way up to about 1.1, 1.2. They have a variety of lots here. I was told by the builder rep that some of their lots get to 20,000 square feet, which is almost a half acre. If you want a little more elbow room, you want to have a home that's nicely upgraded and is here near the back of Crystal Valley, where it is a little bit quieter because you're on the back edge of Loop Road, then maybe Taylor Morrison is right for you. All right, right in off the entrance of the Keystone 2, 3,500 square feet-ish, 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 to 5.5 baths, and a lot of different configurations according to the builder's spec sheet here. So we're gonna see some stuff in this home that is obviously going to scream upgrade, but keep in mind that they are currently speccing out a home as of August of 2023 that is $825,000. So this can be a little more affordable than what it's currently priced out at, is somewhere between 1.1 and 1.2. I would call this the upper end of Crystal Valley. Get another look at this main level. So they've got a flex space through there, a bathroom, entrance to the basement, big tall vaulted ceilings, probably 20 feet tall. These are 10 feet on the main and 9 feet upstairs. Separate hutch. Nice quartz countertops. Separated vent hood, cooktop, double wall ovens, 5 chairs along the bar. Traditional 8-seat dining room table with a nice pendant, and then this huge covered patio with plenty of space for a table as well as a gathering place set up with comfy bench seat, a couple of end seats, and the backyard. Lot to like in this floor plan. I so rarely get a chance to look at the garage spaces in model homes because they're usually tricked out for the builder reps to work in. So a lot of extra space here. And there's a lot to enjoy here because you have this walkthrough area. Believe it or not, there are some builders that do not have a door or a way to enter the side load garage next to the other one. It is literally its own entrance in and out through the big bay garage door. I think that's silly, but this builder has done it right. There's a little service door to the backyard. That's great because you can park your mower inside and then you can stash it in here and walk right around the backyard. So there's the garage. Let's check out the upstairs of the Keystone 2. Love catwalks. You so rarely see them. Upstairs loft. Definitely bigger than a California style loft. Heads off to a bedroom. Give you an idea of the expanse of this floor plan. 9-foot ceilings really make this floor plan pop too. Highly recommend you do that option if you build here. Let's go check out this bedroom. Again, with the big furniture, I like that because it gives you an idea of just how big the room is. This is an ensuite because it has its own 3/4 bath. And then closet. Upstairs laundry. What do I say? Best thing since sliced bread. Go back over this way. Dual vanities. Tub shower combo, nice looking tile. I'm guessing hallway linen closet. Another supporting bedroom into a closet. Has a window, everybody loves that. Give a little extra light in there. So this bedroom has its own little entrance, if you will, compared to that bedroom over there. that is an ensuite. And then mechanicals. So we have high efficiency furnace, air conditioning. It's nice to see. Now let's go into the master. Oh man, this is pretty nice. Huge tub. Separated vanities. One is a little bit bigger than the other one. That's a 5-foot top. And that's a 4-foot top. Really nice shower. Really like this tile work on the floor. Then a big master closet. I do mean big. And now we're walking into the master. Check out the coffered ceiling. Really big furniture, helps to accentuate just how big this room is. Lots of big windows, letting in a lot of natural light. So as opposed to some other master bedroom floor plans, let me back up here so this makes more sense. It's usually you see a door coming into the room and then a door leading to the bathroom and the closet. Here, they've broken that up where you have to walk down a little hallway to the bedroom, but then you walk back down a little hallway to the bathroom and then the closet. So let me know what you guys think. Is this something that's new and possibly going to become a trend, or is this not functional? I really like this laminate flooring they've put in here. It's got a real rustic look to it, like it belongs in a log home or a mountain home somewhere up in Summit County or Grand County. Here's the flex space. All right, let's check out the basement of the Keystone 2. Little linen closet right over here. Big open area down here. We'll get to that in a second. Let's check out what's over here through this archway. We've got a pretty good sized bedroom. And then we've got a bathroom. Corner style storage cabinet area. Put all your board games and such there. Really big space in here. In fact, I don't think the furniture in here does it justice. I think there's a lot more space than you're actually able to see on video. So this is your tour of the Keystone 2 basement. All right, we just finished walking through the Keystone 2 by Taylor Morrison. I want to give you a quick couple of highlights that I didn't mention in the initial tour through the home. All homes in the Destination Collection include 3-car garages, optional 4-car garages, granite kitchen countertops, air conditioning, front yard landscaping, and a partial unfinished basement. So if you want to learn a little bit more about this magnificent home at 3,500 square feet between 3 and 6 bedrooms and a price tag of between about 8.25 and 1.1, 1.2, then let's check out the Keystone 2 together. Thank you so much for watching this video.